welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you are welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So guys, how we all doing? Hope we are good. We are fine. So in today's video guys, I've already unboxed. I wanted to unbox, but I've already unboxed. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from SHEIN. Anyone guys, if I'm pronouncing it well, please put it in the comment section. Say you dey pronounce am well, okay? So let me not take you guys. Let me show you what I got from SHEIN. I'm very happy for my unboxing, for my anyone. Let me just show you guys what I got from SHEIN, okay? Thank you guys for my old-time subscribers and my new ones. You're highly welcome to this amazing channel. So let me show you guys. So I will start from my daughter's own, So this is, so I bought this for her to wear on, you know, we are in Christmas period. So I bought this for her to wear on Christmas Eve, 24 nights. So this is what she's going to wear. Very soft. So, and this one, she saw this and all these things. She's the one that selected it too. When I show her, she'll say, I want this, I want this. But this one is very light. This one will be good for summer. So, but I will wear her this just for the picture's sake. This one have rope. For now, I do not know where the rope is, but later I will look for it. So this is it. And also this one, and this one have rope and one small purse, one small bag. Very soft. The material very soft. Beautiful. So this is the second one, the third one. And this one is Mama, what did you call this one? Milko. Okay. So this one is 2-piece. And see, SHEIN. And this one is, I don't know if I will call this one gown or I don't know, or blouse or top. I don't want noise. And this one is turtleneck. This one is turtleneck, just black and white stripe. I think her own is finished. Is remaining. Look at the rope from that. This thing is remaining one, and this one is load. Mama, basta! Don't make noise in my video. And this black t-shirt, black polo, just like this. And this is 2-piece, 2-piece. This up and down, long sleeve. And also this one. So the leg is boo boo. I think it's boo boo they call it. Boo boo. Their material is very nice. That's why I like shopping with them. And this gown, this short gown, and something like turtleneck. And this, but this one is up and down, but I don't like the skirt. The skirt is giving auntie vibe. It's giving auntie you don't repent vibe, so I don't like it. You see, it's giving mommy Gio vibe. So I'll be wearing this one with maybe pencil leggings, black pencil leggings or white pencil leggings. Okay, so this is it. And this one, I ordered this one, but I don't know that this one is for pinging girls. So but my daughter is going to wear this one. This one is for pinging girls. And also this t-shirt, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Very nice. Enjoy the nature. And this one, why are you looking for me? So why are you looking for me? I'm here. This one is written, why are you looking for me? And also this one, cute butterfly. And this one is written, be proud on your kind heart. Not everyone has it. Be proud of your kind heart. Not everyone have it. Yes, so I'm proud of my kind heart, but not the notice me kind heart. Oh, this one is pure kind heart. And this one is for my honey boo. This one is for hobby. And this one is up and down. I don't know where the, okay, look at it here. And this one also is the last one. This one too is just like crop top. This one is just like crop top. Oh, I still have one more. I still have one more in here. Oh. This one is for my daughter too. So this one, she will wear this one on Christmas Day. This one is giving Christmas vibe. So, and this one I'm putting also is from this package. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share our video, subscribe, like, stay safe and be good. We love you all. Bye. Bye.